Feng Shui bedroom, tips for better sleep and energy. You know that feeling when you walk into a bedroom and just instantly relax? That's exactly what Feng Shui is trying to create for you. So, understanding Feng Shui bedroom decor starts here. It's not just furniture arrangement, it's about connecting your whole space with natural energy flows. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice, all about inviting good energy, or qi, into your life through the way you design and arrange your space. There are a few key principles to hold on to: bed placement, clutter, and balancing the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Here's the thing. There are a handful of key factors that make or break a harmonious bedroom, and honestly, they're simpler than you'd think. Bed placement is probably the biggest one. Position your bed so you can see the door, but you're not directly in line with it. That's the commanding position. For colours and textures, think soft earth tones, warm neutrals, natural cottons and linens. The kind of palette that just feels grounding the moment you walk in. Creating a proper sleep sanctuary means layering the right elements together: lighting, textures, and layout all working as one. Natural elements are a big deal in Feng Shui. A few wooden pieces, a small plant, maybe a woven basket. They bring that organic, grounded energy into the room. Lighting choices really matter. Opt for warm, dimmable sources rather than harsh overhead lights. It signals to your body that it's time to wind down. To enhance qi flow, the idea is simple. Keep pathways clear, let air and light move freely, and avoid blocking the natural routes through the room. Decluttering your space is honestly one of my favourite steps. Clear out anything that doesn't belong, because clutter blocks energy flow, full stop. Mirrors. Use them wisely. Never position one directly facing the bed, which can disturb sleep energy. Instead, place them where they reflect natural light. Now here's where it gets personal. Intentional decor choices, pieces that actually mean something to you, make your bedroom feel truly yours. A little tip I love: incorporating symbols of love and harmony, paired objects, soft artwork in twos, can quietly reinforce positive, balanced energy in a shared bedroom. Ongoing maintenance matters too. Feng Shui isn't a one-time thing. Keeping up with the energy in your space is just as important as setting it up right. Regular cleansing rituals, even something simple like opening windows, burning a little dried sage, or freshening your textiles, keep the energy feeling light and clear. Seasonal enhancements keep your bedroom feeling fresh, swapping in lighter colours and textures in spring, warmer tones and layers in autumn. It keeps the energy in sync with the natural world. Okay. Do's and don'ts. Do keep electronics away from the bed, don't put a mirror facing the bed, and do use natural materials wherever you can. And ultimately, how Feng Shui affects your sleep comes down to one thing. When your environment feels calm and balanced, your body and mind follow. This set, the art wall for bedroom prints, is honestly one of my favourites for a Feng Shui space. Soft tones, beautifully balanced, and they work with that earthy bedroom palette perfectly. These Japan art prints are such a beautiful fit. The calm, considered aesthetic is exactly the kind of intentional, meaningful wall decor Feng Shui calls for. The bedroom wall artwork set is a great choice if you want something versatile. Soft and grounding, it layers beautifully with natural materials and earthy tones. And if you love bringing in that authentic Chinese art element, this Chinese art wall decor set is stunning, deeply rooted in the culture that gave us Feng Shui. Trust me, this Chinese wall art set brings such a calm, intentional energy to a bedroom, the kind of piece that anchors the whole room with meaning. So, small changes, real results. A few intentional shifts to your bedroom, and the energy of the whole space genuinely transforms, you know? Did you know styling your home doesn't have to be guesswork? We've built a free set of home decor tools and styling guides. From colour theory and design principles to gallery wall layouts and art sizing. Download them all from our site. Find all you need to transform your home into a calming oasis. Happy decorating.